Warning, this video contains content unsuitable for those that can't handle some manure. If you are sensitive to the look, smell, handling of, composting of, or otherwise dealing with horse manure, your viewer discretion is advised, and you may not want to watch this video, or this channel in general. Well, it's fall, almost winter, and that means it's time to clean up the pastures. So I can close them up and not have these animals tearing them up all winter. So I'm going to show you a little bit about how that's done. This is Vinny. Hi, Vinny. You want a cookie? Yeah. Vinny's a low producer. Doesn't cause too much trouble with the manure. This is Z. Now, Z is what I like to call a high producer. You want a cookie? There you go. He makes the poop. It's everywhere. And as you can see, I already have this back pasture closed off. There's actually 3 of them back here. They're all closed off for the winter. Otherwise, the horses will tear these all up. But if I can stabilize this camera a little bit, you'll see there is manure everywhere. Now, we used to walk around and scoop all this stuff up, take it out back through there, and dump it in the pile. But man, did that take forever. So we devised a new plan using a drag. It's called a drag Harrow that we got from TSC. And all I really have to do is hook it up to the lawnmower and drag it out. And I'll show you what the results look like. It just spreads it out so it's easier to break down throughout the winter. We actually do this several times a year. And it's a lot less work overall. This fine piece of machinery right here is called a drag Herrow. We found it at TSC. And you know, I'll provide a couple links. One to TSC and one to see if I can find it on Amazon maybe, but just a good old lawnmower. And this bad boy takes care of the manure problem. All we do is we clip it on here. And once it's clipped and in place, then you're good to go. All you have to do is just take it out and run over the poop. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how the magic happens. No more lumps in the pasture. Now, I just gotta go do the other 2. But I'm not taking you along for that one. No need for all that. You don't need to watch all this in slow-mo. Thanks for stopping by. Subscribe to the channel.